exercise 5.25, the magnetic moment vectors mu s and mu l associated with the intrinsic spin angular momentum s and orbital angular momentum l respectively of an electron are predicted by the quantum theory and verified experimentally to a high accuracy, okay, to be given by mu s is equal to minus E by m into s and mu l is equal to minus E by 2m into l. Which of this relation is in accordance with the result expected classically? Okay, outline the derivation of the classical result. Okay, so here in this example 5.25, we know that in classical model of an atom, okay, electron revolves in a circular orbit around nucleus. So here if we are taking a atom, okay, having a positively charged nucleus at the center and electron is revolving around it, suppose electron is revolving around it as in this sense, okay, and having a radius, let it be r, okay, having a radius of circular path of electron is r. So let's find the magnetic moment, okay, due to this revolution of electron. So we know that current carrying loop produces what? Magnetic field. Okay, current carrying loop produces magnetic field. So this current carrying loop, or you can say motion of electron, is considered as what? Current carrying loop. Okay, so it must have a magnetic moment. So here you know that current I is equal to Q by T. Here charge Q is equal to what? Electron E, and T is a time period. So we know that time period is what? Distance upon speed. Okay, so that V goes into numerator and becomes EV by 2 pi r. So it is the current produced due to the flow of electron around the nucleus. So magnetic moment mu L is equal to what? We know that magnetic moment is equal to current into area. So here I is what? EV by 2 pi r, and area is what? Pi r square. Pi and r becomes cancel out and the remaining term is half EV r. Okay, let it be equation number 1. Here as electron revolves, you can say that its angular momentum L is equal to magnitude of angular momentum. Let mass of electron is m over here, so angular momentum becomes mv r. Let it be equation number 2. Here we are taking ratio of equation 1 and 2, so therefore from 1 and 2 we can say mu L by L is equal to what? You can see that half EVR upon MVR, so VR becomes cancel out and the remaining term is E by 2m. Okay, so if I am writing it in a vectorly, so vectorly we can say mu L is equal to minus E by 2m into L. Here you can understand in this term as well by you can saying electron has a negative charge. Okay, this negative sign indicates that a magnetic moment and angular moment must have equal and opposite direction. So from this classical model we arrive on this result. So here we can say out of two relation, this relation is in accordance with the क्लासिकल मॉडल. ओके, ये जो रिलेशन है वो किसके अकॉर्डिंग है? क्लासिकल मॉडल के अकॉर्डिंग है. ठीक है, and the second relation, and here the relation mu L is equal to minus E by 2m into L is in accordance with classical model, and the second relation, which is what mu S by S is equal to E by 2m, is obtained एक्सपेरिमेंटली. ये रिलेशन आपको कैसे मिलेगा? एक्सपेरिमेंटली ही मिलेगा. ठीक है. यू कैन सी दैट मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ दिस स्पिन मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट यहाँ पे E बाई एम है. ठीक है. सो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ दिस स्पिन मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट आप देखो E बाई एम. ठीक है. और यहाँ पे अगर एंगुलर मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ये वाला देखे, ठीक है, तो उसका मैग्नीट्यूड कितना है? E बाई 2m है. यू कैन से स्पिन मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट इज ट्वाइस दैट ऑफ वी ऑब्टेन अकॉर्डिंग टू क्लासिकल मॉडल. यहाँ से आप देख सकते हो इसका मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट इससे क्या होगा? डबल होगा. ठीक है.